SANMARTIN 62 Maz Diver Watch, new 39mm Japan NH35 enamel dial. Automatic men mechanical watches. Sapphire, waterproof, 200 meters luminous. Fully automatic mechanical watches, relying on the motion of the arm and automatic winding. So must wear more than 8 hours a day to ensure timely and accurate. Part of the automatic mechanical watch on a chain can also manually on the chain to supplement energy. Method is under the conditions of buttons don't pull out, 15 circle clockwise. Is not automatic chain on the manual and automatic mechanical watch. Cannot make up by manual chain on energy.